So my student, after we have seen those features which are found in the last part on the characteristics, we were discussing on the characteristics or the distinctive features that is found within the class insecta. So we have seen a few of them. But here, my student, we are going to begin looking at the distinctive features which are found within the class insecta. And this is, we can say that they undergo metamorphosis during their development, through the molting process. Hao organism wanaopatikana ndani ya hii phylum, ndani ya hii class insecta, they undergo metamorphosis. And metamorphosis is the stage that is the stage where now this organism they need to grow up. Kwa sasa wakihitaji kukua ndipo ambapo wana undergo metamorphosis. Is where now they shed out their exoskeleton for expanding so that they can grow. So hiyo ndiyo distinctive feature of this organism that are found within the class insecta. So another distinctive feature, we can say that they have a pair of compound eyes and simple eyes. Kwa hao organism kwa sababu ni wapo wengi, so they vary. They have compound eyes, but the rest one they have simple eyes. And also we can say that they usually have 3 pairs of mouth parts, which are maxillae, mandibles, and the labrum. For how organism, they have 3 pairs of mouth parts, and this one we can say this is the advanced character which is found within this class insecta. Possession of 3 mouth parts that contain of maxillae, mandible together with the labrum ndiyo ambayo inafanya hao organism hao organism kuwa advanced ukicompare na the rest of the organism that we have seen on the subphylum, kwenye phylum hii nzima ya arthropod. So ukiangalia kwenye ile class Dipropoda tulisema wale wana mouth part, but within their mouth part they only contain jaws. Ukienda pia kwenye phylum Chilopoda the same. Ukienda pia kwenye the rest of the phylum, the rest of the class tulizo discuss kwenye hii phylum Arthropoda, unakuta wengine kabisa hawana mouth part. So due to possession of this structure, of these characteristics, we can say that this organism, they are advanced compared to the rest of the class. So my student, after we have seen now the characteristics or the distinctive feature of the class insecta, so now my student, I would like to take you through the structure of the class insecta. And here my student, as usual, we take one organism so that it can represent the rest of the organism which are found within the class insecta. So here my student, our main concern, we are going to look on the cockroach. Tunaenda kuangalia mende. Why are we studying the structure of cockroach? Kwa sababu kwenye hii structure of cockroach, it is benefit for you my student. You as a form 5, you as a form 6. Hii itakusaidia sana kwenye practical session. Kwa sababu utaletewa mende ufanye dissection. So what if haujui pati ambazo zinapatikana ndani ya mende? So you have to read first the characteristics, the structure of this cockroach, so that you can be able to dissect a cockroach. So here we are going to discuss, my student. So welcome. Here we are saying that the body of the cockroach is elongated and segmented, divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. So the structure of this organism, they are elongated. Ni warefu pia tunasema how organism they have segment within their body. But not only that, within their body it is divided into 3 parts. That is the thorax, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Ndiyo ambayo sasa ina bring to 3 parts of this organism. And that is the general, or that is the distinctive feature of the class insecta. Hence now you can prove that this cockroach is belong into a class insecta. So we are saying that the thorax is subdivided into 3 parts. That is prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. And each segment bears 1 pair of legs. That is prothoracic leg. We have also methathoracic legs. And also we have metathoracic legs respectively. Kwa ina maana kwamba kwenye ile pati ya thorax imegawanyika na yenyewe katika sehemu kuu tatu. Ya kwanza pale tumeona ni prothorax, mesothorax, and together with the we can say that metathorax. Sasa hizo structure zote ndipo ambapo sasa the legs of this organism they are originated there. Kwa ukiangalia the first pair of leg imeoriginated kwenye hii prothoracic region, and the next part it is located on the mesothoracic legs, and also we have the metathoracic legs. So all of the legs, they are originated within the structure which is called the thorax. And also we can say that the thorax also bears 2 pairs of wings in most adult insects. So the body is covered by a rigged exoskeleton cuticle secreted by the epidermal layer. So also within the thorax also is where now the wings of this insect they are originated. Kwa ina maana kwamba yale mabawa tunasema kwamba yameoriginate, yametokea kwenye ile structure ambayo inaitwa thorax. My student, that is a point to note. So you can be asked even into your practical session, wapi ambapo wings za ule tunamuita cockroach zimeoriginate? The answer is on the thorax. But when we are looking on the structure of this organism, we can say also that the body is covered with a rigged exoskeleton ambayo tunaita cuticle secreted by the endodermal layer. So we can say that this occurs in jointed section or plate to allow body movement. So the exoskeleton is made up by a structural protein known as chitin. It is coated with the wax which is impermeable to water. Kwa sasa ukienda kuangalia ile structure yao pia kwa nje imetengenezwa na exoskeleton. Hiyo exoskeleton imetengenezwa na chitin. So chitin ndio ambayo imetengeneza structure ya exoskeleton ya cockroach. And also we can say that it is coated with the wax. So within, on the outside structure of this exoskeleton, it is coated with the waxy material. Ndio ambaye sasa inaipa ule ugumu wa kwenye outer structure of cockroach is due to the presence of the waxy material. So ndio maana wanaweza wakawa impermeable to water. So they are able to live within the water kwa sababu tu ya presence ya hii waxy material. So my student, we can say that the exoskeleton provide attachment for body muscles. So ile exoskeleton ndipo ambapo sasa muscles of this organism they are originated. And also cockroach are mostly dark brown or reddish in color. So how organism pia wanatofautiana between one species and another. Wengine unakuta wana rangi ya dark brown, lakini wengine unakuta wana rangi ya reddish brown, depend where are they located. So also we can say that male cockroach, how can we differentiate between a male cockroach and a female cockroach? Here we can say that the male cockroach has a narrow abdomen and expanded tegum of the last visible segment and the pairs of stylites at the end of the abdomen. Kwa hiyo ndio structure ya male cockroach. Kwa maana kwamba kule kwenye abdomen region, ile last part of their body, unakuta ni very narrow, inakuwa ni nyembamba sana. Lakini also tunasema kwamba it is expanded into the tegum of the visible part. Pia kwenye the last part of their abdomen ndipo ambapo kuna structure ambayo inaitwa stylite. Hii stylite this style ndio ambayo tutakuja kuiona tukija kuangalia reproduction ambayo inatokea kwa hao organism ambao wanaitwa cockroach. And now ukija ukiangalia kwenye structure ya female cockroach has a wide abdomen and with a special podicle plate used to kill the ootheca and laxy style. So hao organism pia tunasema ukiangalia structure ya female cockroach kule kwenye abdomen they are tunasema kwamba they have a wider abdomen, yani imetanuka. And also tunasema kwamba kwenye their body they have a pedicle plate. Hii pedicle plate ndio ambayo inatumika kukeli ootheca. Ootheca are the eggs. which are found within this organism, mainly female cockroach. But this organism, they lack a stylet. This female cockroach hawana stylet. So my student, let's look on this picture now. You can differentiate yourself by looking. So now this one is the structure of cockroach in general. Kwa ukimwangalia huyu ndio mende, ukiangalia ana antenna, ana head, ana compound eyes, ana thorax, ndipo ambapo hizi legs zimeoriginate, and the wings. And also you can see the abdomen. This one is the abdomen. Kuanzia hapa hii structure yote inaitwa abdomen, and this one are the wings. We have this cecus. So this one is the male ventral side. Ukimgeuza yule mende kwa ventral side, ndipo ambapo utamuona hivi. Huku kwenye hii abdomen yake inakuwa ni very narrow, lakini ukija ukiangalia huyu female ventral side inakuwa ni wider. And within this female cockroach tunasema kuna contain a podicle plate. Ile podicle plate ndiyo ambayo iko responsible kwa ajili ya kukeli utheka ambayo tunaita ni eggs. But ukiangalia huyu organism anakuwa na anal style. But this organism, mainly female cockroach, they lack anal style. We're going later on to discuss on the function of this style on the male cockroach. Inakuwa na kazi gani, lakini the function of the pedicle cup within the female inakuwa na kazi gani. So my student, after we have seen now the structure of the cockroach, now I'd like to say thank you for watching our media, that is Educare TZ, and bye bye. Have a nice moment.